Next question, question number 5. So if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p equal to r. Then show that p equal to r. So here let us take f of x equal to px square plus 5x plus r. So f of 2 and f of 1 by 2, since x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Next one, x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 2. So f of 2 comma f of 2 comma f of 1 by 2. So f of 2 equal to 0 comma f of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Why? Because both are the factors of given polynomial. So f of 2 equal to, so f of 2 equal to here, f of 2 equal to 0. So p of 2 whole square, p of 2 whole square plus f of x value here, px square plus 5x plus r. So substitute 2 in this equation. So p2 whole square, p of 2 whole square plus 5 into 2 plus r. Next one equal to 0. So p into 4, p square value 4 plus 5 to the 10 plus r equal to 0. So 4p plus r equal to, after transposing, plus 10 minus 10. So equation 1. Next one, here p of 1 by 2 equal to, p of 1 by 2 equal to 0. So f of 1 by 2 equal to 0. P x square means p 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r equal to 0. So p by 2 square value 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equal to 0. So LCM of 4 comma 2 comma 1 is 4 r by 1 is 4. So p plus multiply, denominator multiply with 2 here, 2 into 2 4. So 5 2 the 10 plus 4r equal to 0. So p plus 4r equal to minus 10, equation 2. Solve equation, solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. So here 4p plus r equal to 10. Next one, p plus 4r equal to minus 10. Sorry, here also minus 10. Minus 10. So 4p plus r equal to minus 10. Here also 4p plus sorry, p plus 4r equal to minus 10. So this equation multiply with 4. So 4p plus r equal to minus 10. Here 4p, 4 4 the 16, r equal to 4 10 the 40, minus 40. So minus here plus. Okay. So next one, plus 4p minus 4p get cancelled. So minus 15r equal to minus 30, sorry, plus 30. Plus 40 minus 10 plus 30. So r equal to minus 30 by 15, 15 1 the 15 2 the. So r equal to minus 2. Okay, substitute this value r equal to minus 2 in this equation 1, either equation 1 or 2. So substitute this value equation, or in equation 1 minus 2 is substitute in equation 1, as your wish. Substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. So r equal to minus 2, substitute equation 1. Equation 1 is here 4p plus r means here minus 2 equal to minus 10. So 4p 4p equal to minus 10. After transposing this one, plus 2. So 4p equal to minus 8. So p equal to minus 8 by 4. 4 1 the 4 2 the. P equal to minus 2. Here r value minus 2, p value also minus 2. So what is the question? Show that p equal to r. So here p equal to r equal to minus 2. Both are equal. So hence proved. Okay. Okay, P equal to R equal to -2. This is the fifth question. Next one, question number 6. Question number 6. So if x square minus 1 is a factor of ax power 4, ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, then show that a plus c, a plus c plus e, a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. So show that a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. So here x square minus 1 is a factor. So x square minus 1 equal to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0. So a plus b, since a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 1. These are the two factors of given polynomial. So let us take f of x equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. So substitute this value. So first one, f of minus 1 equal to 0, f of 1 equal to 0. So solve this one, f of minus 1, f of minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 whole power 4 plus b into minus 1 whole cube plus c into minus 1 whole square plus d into minus 1 plus e equal to 0. So equal to 0, this one, minus 1 equal to 0. So a into minus 1 whole power plus 1. So plus b into minus 1 whole cube means minus 1. Next one plus c into minus 1 whole square plus c into minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next one plus d into minus 1 minus 1. So plus e equal to minus d into minus 1 minus d. So e equal to 0. So a minus b plus c minus d plus e equal to 0. So a plus c plus e equal to, after transposing minus d, we can write plus d and plus d. Minus d after transposing plus d, minus d after transposing plus d. So a plus c plus d equal a plus c plus e equal to b plus d. This is equation 1. Next one, next one, equation f of 1. Solve this one, f of 1 equal to 0. So substitute this value, f of 1 equal to 0. So f of 1 equal to 0, a into 1 whole power 4 plus b into 1 whole cube plus c into 1 whole square plus d into 1 plus e equal to 0. So a into whole power 1 sorry, a into 1 power 4 equal to 1, a into 1 plus b into 1 plus c into 1 plus d into 1. So plus e equal to 0. So a plus b plus c plus d, a plus b plus c plus d, c plus d plus e equal to 0. So a plus b plus c, here a sorry, so that a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. So a plus c plus d, a plus c plus e, a plus c plus e equal to b plus d. So equal to b plus d. So b plus a plus c plus d equal to b plus d. So b plus d plus here b plus d equal to 0. So 2 into b plus d equal to 0. So b plus d equal to 0. B plus d equal to 0. 2 after transposing 0 by 2 equal to 0. So here b plus d equal to equation 2. So here comparing these two equations, so 1 and 2. we can write a plus c plus e equal to b plus d. So a plus b plus c equal to b plus d. B plus d value here 0. So here also b plus d equal to 0. So from equation from equation 1 and 2 from equation 1 and 2, so a plus c plus e equal to 0, here b plus d equal to 0, therefore a plus c plus a plus c plus e, a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. So answer proved. So here from equation 1 and 2, we can write b plus d instead of we can write 0. B plus d instead of we can write 0. So a plus c equal to 0. So here b plus d also 0. So totally we can write a plus c plus c, a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. So here also question a plus c plus c equal to b plus d equal to 0. So this is the question number 6. Next one, question number 7. Question number 7. Factorize factorize x cube minus x cube minus 2x square. Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So by using trial and error method, so substitute this one f of x. Let us say f of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So by using error and trial method, so for example, substitute f of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 whole square. So minus 1 minus of 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 into 1 2 minus 1 plus 2. So here minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So therefore x plus x minus 1, x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, one of the factor of given polynomial, factor of given polynomial. Okay. So by using this factor, we can find out the remaining two factors. Why? Because the degree of this equation is 3. So by using this one, this single factor, we can find out the remaining two factors by using long division method or actual division. Long division method or actual division method. So this one x minus 1 is a g of x, here f of x equal dividend equal to, so x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, so x into x square x cube, x into x square, x into x square x cube. So x square into minus 1 minus x square. So here minus plus, these two are cancelled. So minus 2x square plus x square minus x square minus x plus 2. Next one minus x square. So x is here, x is here. So this x multiply with minus x into x minus x square minus x into minus 1 plus x. So minus plus here minus. So minus x square plus x square get cancelled. So remaining plus x here minus x minus 2x plus 2. Next one minus 2x is there. So minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into plus minus into plus plus minus into minus 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 into minus plus. So here plus here minus. These two are get cancelled, two terms. So remainder is here 0. So given coefficient is here x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, by using this quadratic equation we can find two factors. One is there here x minus 1, this is the cubic polynomial. So here quadratic polynomial. So by using this quadratic polynomial, x square, so 1 into minus 2 minus 2, so x square minus 2x minus 2x here plus 1, that means plus 1x, so minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2x plus 1x minus x, minus into plus minus 2 ones are 2. So x of, by using middle term splitting method, so x of x minus 2, here also x minus 2 minus 1, minus x, sorry, x into x square, x into 2 minus 2x, next one here minus 1 into x minus, sorry, plus 1 into x plus 1x plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0. Next one, x minus 2 equal to 0. These two are the quadratic polynomial factors. Next one, this one is the another factor of cubic polynomial. So x, therefore x minus 1 and x plus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 comma x plus 1 comma x minus 2 are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Factors of given cubic polynomial. Factors of given cubic polynomial. So this one, first question, seventh bit, first question. So next one, question number 2. Seventh bit, question number 2. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So by using error and trial method. So first of all, let us take f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So error and trial method, f of minus 1, substitute minus 1 in this equation, minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 plus minus 5 minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus into minus plus 9 minus 5. So minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1. Here minus 9 plus 9 equal to 0. So f of minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. One of the factor x plus 1 is a factor of one of the factor of given polynomial. One of the factor of given polynomial. One of the factor of given polynomial. So substitute this value by using this factor. We can find out remaining three factors. So here x plus 1, x cube minus 3x square by using long division method or actual division method. So actual division method. So it's x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So x into x square x cube. So x square into plus 1 plus x square. So minus here minus. So x cube minus x cube get cancelled. So minus 4x square. Next one, remaining two terms are downwards. Take downwards. So minus 9x square minus 5. Next one, here minus 4x minus 4 into x minus 4x square minus 4x into x minus 4x square. Next one, minus into plus minus 4x. Sorry, this one x term. So minus 4 into minus 4x into 1 minus 4x. This one plus, here also plus. So these two terms are get cancelled. So minus 9x plus 4x minus 5x minus 5x minus 5. Next one, this x multiply with 5 minus 5 into x minus 5x minus into plus minus 5. So plus here also plus, these two terms are get cancelled. So we have x square quadratic equation, x square plus 4 minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Minus 5 ones are 5. This one 1. 1 5 is 5 minus 5. So x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Sorry. 5 ones are 5. So here x square minus 5x minus 5x minus x or plus x. So minus 5x plus x minus into plus minus 5x into x 5x square minus 5x square minus 5 into x square minus 5x square. So minus 5x plus x minus 4x, here minus 5 equal to 0. X of x minus 5, here also x minus 5 plus 1 plus 1 into x plus x plus into minus minus 1 5 is 5 equal to 0. So x plus 1 and x minus 1. These are the two factors of given quadratic equation here, a coefficient of the quadratic equation. So therefore x plus 1, here also x plus 1 and x minus 1, x minus 5. These three are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Given cubic polynomial. This is the second bit, seventh question, second bit. Next one, third one. Next one, third one. So third one x cube plus x cube plus 13x square, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 32x plus 20. So by using error and trial method, so f of minus 1 equal to, sorry, first of all, let us take f of x equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So minus 1 whole cube 1 minus 1 plus 3 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus into minus 30. So minus 32 plus 20. So minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So here 20 plus 20 plus 13 23 minus 32 20 plus 13 33. Next one minus 32 minus 1 minus 33. So f of minus 1 equal to plus 33 minus 33 get cancelled. So minus 1 equal to f of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a one of the factor. It is a one of the factor of given cubic polynomial. So by using this factor, we can find remaining three factors. So by using actual division method, actual division method, actual division method, actual division method. So x plus 1 and x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 plus 32x plus 20. So So x square into x cube, x square into 1 x square minus these two terms are get cancelled. So here minus, so minus so x square minus plus 13x square plus 12x square. Next one plus 32x plus 20. Next one plus 12 into x plus 12x square, 12 into x 12x multiply with 12x and x. So 12x into x 12x square 12x into 2 plus 12x minus these two terms are get cancelled. So plus 20x plus 20. So multiply with 20 into x plus 20 into x plus 20x plus 20 into 2 plus 20 into 1 plus 20 minus these two terms are get cancelled. So here coefficient is x square plus 12x plus 20, 12x plus 20. So 1 into 20, 20. So plus 12x plus 20. So next one 10 12 10 2s are 20. So x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20 equal to 0. So x of x plus 10, x of x plus 10, next one x plus 10 of plus 2, 2 into x, 2x, 2 10 are 20. So x plus 2 and x plus 10, these two are the remaining two factors of cubic polynomial. Next one of the factors plus 1. So x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10 and x plus 1 are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Okay. So this is the seventh question, seventh bit, seventh question, third bit. Next one, fourth one. Next one, last question in this bit, seventh bit, fourth one. So fourth one, y cube plus y square, y cube plus y square minus y equal to, sorry, minus y minus 1. Y cube minus y cube plus y square minus y minus 1. So f of x equal to plus y square minus y minus 1. So by using error and trial method, f of minus 1, so minus 1 whole cube, here minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square plus 1, minus into minus plus 1, here minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So f of minus 1 equal to 0. F of minus 1 equal to 0. So, sorry, this one y, f of y. So here x, sorry, y plus 1. Y plus 1 is a one of the factor, one of the factor of given cubic polynomial. Given cubic polynomial. One of the factor of given. So by using actual division method, we can find the remaining factors. So actual division method, y plus 1 of y cube plus y square minus y minus 1. So y into y square, y into y square. So y into y square, y cube, y square into plus 1, y square. Next here minus minus, these two terms are get cancelled. So here minus y square, sorry, y square into this one plus y square minus y minus 1, y square into 1, y square into y square. So here minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next one minus of minus 1 minus of minus 1. Next one minus 1. So minus 1. Next one minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next minus into minus plus 1 minus 1. So y minus 1. So y square minus y minus 1. Sorry, my y square into y cube plus y square. So these two terms are also get cancelled, minus 1 and minus 1. So next one here minus minus 1 into y minus into plus minus 1. So plus here also plus these two terms also cancel. So y square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is also one of the quadratic polynomial. So y square minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So y plus 1, since y plus 1 into y minus 1 equal to y square minus 1 square. So that means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So y plus 1 into y minus 1. These two are the given factors of given quadratic equation. This one y square minus 1. So remaining factor y plus 1. So another factor y plus 1. Y plus 1 and y minus 1 and y plus 1 are the are factors of are factors of given are factors of given cubic polynomial. Given cubic polynomial. Given cubic polynomial. So these are the 4 questions of 7th bit. So next one, 8th bit. Next one, 8th bit. So if ax square plus bx plus c, if ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, and bx square plus ax plus c have the common factor of x plus 1 as a common factor, common factor x plus 1. So then show that c equal to 0, and a equal to b. C equal to 0 and a equal to b. So first one, f of, let us take f of what, f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Next one, this one, g of x equal to bx square plus ax plus c. So f of minus 1, since x, since this is the question given information, this one. So common factor here x plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1 equal to 0. Next one, g of minus 1 equal to 0. So f of minus 1 equal to 0. Next one, g of minus 1 equal to 0. These are the those are x plus 1 is the common factor of given two polynomials. So f of minus 1 equal to g of minus 1. So f of minus 1, a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c equal to g of minus 1, here b into minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus c. So a into minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus into minus b 1 is a b. Next one plus c equal to b into minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next one plus into plus into minus a 1 is a a plus c. So a minus b plus c equal to b minus a plus c. So transpose this equation. So a minus b plus a minus b plus c minus b plus a plus c equal to 0. Sorry, minus a plus minus a after transposing plus b plus a plus b minus after transposing minus b plus c after transposing minus c. So here a plus a plus 2a minus 2b. Next one, these two are get cancelled. So 0. So a minus b. So 2a, 2 of 2 taken as a common. So a minus b equal to 0. A minus b equal to 0. So a equal to b. A equal to b. So for example, so a equal to b. So substitute this value in any equation. For example, f of x and g of x. Substitute this value a equal to b. A equal to b in this, for example, this one equation 1. Equation 1. So substitute in this equation a equal to b. So a minus b means here minus a. This one minus a. Next one plus c equal to b into b means here b equal to minus a means, sorry, b value here a. So minus a plus c. So f of minus 1 equal to, for example, f of minus 1. Here, let us take a single f of single factorial f of minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c. A into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c. So a into minus 1 means plus 1 plus b into plus into minus b plus c equal to 0. So a minus b plus c equal to 0. So a minus b equal to here this one equation 1. So equation 1. So from equation 1 from equation 1 from equation 1. So a minus b value 0, 0 plus c equal to 0, c equal to 0. So a equal to b, hence proved. So a equal to b and c equal to 0. So hence proved. Okay. So this is the eighth question. Next one, question number 9. So x square minus x minus 6, x square plus 3x minus 18 are the common factor of x minus a. Common factor of x minus a. So that question number 9. Question number 9. So if x square minus x square minus x minus 6 and x square minus plus 3x, x square plus 3x minus 18 have a common factor of x minus a. Common factor is x minus a. Common factor is x minus a. So let us take f of x equal to x square minus x minus 6. So here g of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 18. So here find the value of a. So find the value of a. Find the value of a. So common factor means here f of x equal to g of x. So f of a equal to g of a. Since x minus a equal to 0, x equal to a. So substitute this value. A whole square minus of a minus 6 equal to g of a. So a whole square plus 3 into a minus 18. A square minus a minus 6 equal to a square plus 3a minus 18. So transposing right side equation into left side. So a minus a square minus a minus 6 minus a square minus 3a plus 18 equal to 0. So plus a square minus a square get cancelled. So minus 3a and minus a minus 4a minus 6 minus 6 plus 18 plus 12 equal to 0. So minus 4a equal to minus 12 minus minus get cancelled. So a equal to 12 by 4. 4 1 the 4 3 the a equal to 3. This is the value of a. Next one, question number 10. So this is the last question in this week. Y minus 3 is a factor of 10th question. Question number 10. So y minus 3 is a factor of y cube. Y minus 3 is a factor. So y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 8 plus 18. Sorry, 18. Then find the other two factors. So by using actual division method, by using actual division method or long division method, actual division method or long division method, y minus 3 of y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. So y into y square, y into y square, y cube, y square into minus 3 y square. So y square into minus 3 y square minus plus these two terms are get cancelled. So minus 2y square plus 3y square plus y square minus 9y plus 8. So next one y square, here y is there, so plus y into y square, next one y into 3 minus 3y minus this one plus, so these two terms are get cancelled, so minus 6y plus 18. So here minus 6 into y minus 6y minus into minus plus 6 3 is 18. So these two terms are get cancelled. So remainder is here 0. So given quadratic the quotient of this given polynomial. So y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So 1 into 6 minus 6. So here minus 6 y square minus 3y or plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Minus into plus minus 3 to the 6 y square. So minus 6 by using middle term splitting method. So y of y plus 3 y plus 3 of minus 2. Minus 2 into y minus 2y. 2 3 is 6 minus 6. So equal to 0. Y minus 2 equal to 0. Next y plus 3 equal to 0. These two are the remaining two factors of given cubic polynomial. Therefore, y minus 2 and y plus 3. Next one, y minus 3 are factors of given cubic polynomial. Given cubic polynomial. These are the 10 questions in this exercise 2.4. So, thank you for the watching this video.